Meaning of durable.
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 Durable. Durable refers to something that is able to withstand wear, pressure, or damage over time without losing its original quality or function. It describes an object's ability to last a long time despite frequent use or exposure to various environmental factors. A durable item is able to endure extended periods of use or abuse without breaking down or becoming ineffective, which makes it a desirable quality for many consumer products, especially those that experience heavy wear and tear. Overall, durability is an important attribute for items that need to maintain their integrity and usefulness over a long time.